Hello and welcome to Symbiosis Center for Distance Learning, which is one of the largest autonomous distance learning education institute in India. Symbiosis Center for Distance Learning has since its inspection in 2001 made in rapid strides in providing quality education to many students, making it one of the few large and most sought after distance learning institute of India. This is Uttara Devrankar, PhD in Educational Technology. Take this opportunity to discuss one of our niche programs on psychological counseling. Counseling psychology helps people in distress to lead a healthy, happy and a normal life. With psychological counseling, you learn to see things from positive perspective. This one-year course on psychological counseling aims to equip students with the necessary skills and knowledge to provide effective support to individuals, families or groups facing environmental or emotional or social challenges. Psychological counseling involves guiding individuals through one or more counseling sessions to overcome these obstacles and improve their overall health and well-being. As a part of counseling psychology, students learn to address various personal and relational issues across different aspects of life, including social, vocational, emotional, educational, health-related, organizational, and developmental needs. The focus is on reducing psychological distress and promoting overall well-being. Through this course, students will gain insights into treatment approaches aimed at helping individuals in distress, fostering an overall holistic approach to counseling. The program emphasizes the transformative power of counseling, allowing individuals to shift their mindsets and address problems comprehensively rather than viewing individuals as isolated issues. Graduates of this course will be equipped to make meaningful contributions to mental health and well-being of individuals in need of psychological support. Dear students, I encourage you to keep on going even if the going gets tough. Learning is a lifelong enriching journey. You are the founders of our future and collectively the beacon of help of betterment of our world. Thank you in advance for your determination and do enroll at the earliest. All the best for your future endeavors.